All right, we're going to check out the Lift and Look train book. Okay, Brody, we're going to be finding Teddy Bear. Can you find Teddy Bear on the steam train? There he is! Yay! Yay! All right. All right, Brody, can you find Teddy Bear at the station? Bear! There's a different teddy bear. Where's the teddy bear with the red scarf? Right there. That's right. Is Teddy Bear on the fast train? Boat! He's in the boat. What does that duck say? That's right. Where is Teddy Bear hiding here? Is he hiding right there? No? Bear! Yay! Can you see Teddy Bear on the night train? Where is he? Bear! Great job! Well, as you can see, Brody really enjoys looking through this book again and again, and he knows where a bear is now, but he still gets very excited when he finds him. Brody, do you like this book? Yeah? Is it great? Bear, bear, bear. Bear, bear, bear.